Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Your total taxable income is 0 or below the threshold. This determines a 0 return. Next, gather ID, tax ID, and bank details so you won't interrupt the form. Once logged into the tax portal, choose the correct assessment year and retrieval option, pre-fill from last year if available. Make sure to select the simplified or zero-income form. This reduces fields and speeds up entry. Begin filling basic personal and income sections immediately. Don't postpone. Now complete the core form fields carefully. You enter your name, tax ID, and address exactly as on official ID to avoid mismatches. For income lines, explicitly enter 0 or use the portal's no income option. This prevents later queries. If you have deductions but no income, declare them correctly. Explain zeros to avoid triggering audits. Once done, review bank and contact details for refunds or notices, and add any required declarations or signatures before proceeding to validation. To finish, validate the form and use the portal's preview to check every field. This step catches formatting or identity mismatches. Then e-verify using OTP, net banking, or a digital signature. Verification completes the filing. Save the PDF and note the acknowledgement number for your records. If the return is rejected, compare the portal error message with your inputs, correct name, ID, or bank mismatches, and resubmit immediately. A common fix is re-verifying PAN spelling or bank IFSC. Address that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.